to this Trimble Business Center demonstration of the new Import Setout Points command in the Trimble Business Center Tunneling Module version 5.4. The new Import Setout Points command allows for faster data preparation for setout points, such as for rock bolts, anchors, and blast holes. This reduces the time to create those points in TBC and then allows them to be exported out to Trimble Access Tunnels field software for stakeout. So in this project, I'm starting with a simple tunnel design. I'll navigate to the Tunnels tab, and I'll open the tunnel view. In the tunnel view, I can see my design. In this case, it's a standard TBM tunnel design. If I expand this view, you'll notice that on the left-hand side, we have a setouts menu. Normally with setout points, you would manually enter this data. So I'd select the type, and I could select the stationing range for which these points would be created on, and necessary offsets to create that point. So once I've entered that information, I can see the setout point here in the tunnel view. Now, if I wanted to create a large amount of these setout points, it can be a timely process to enter this data manually in the setouts editor. One way to streamline this process is by using the new import function, which you can see here on the right-hand side. To do this, you simply need to create a CSV file, which I'm showing here in Excel, for those points, which dictates the data for all of those setout points. This can be easier as the copy and paste functionality in Excel can make for a streamlined process for creating multiple sets of setout points. So now what I'll do is import this file into TBC. So now I'll select import, and I'll navigate to my setouts point file, and I'll import it, and you'll see that 32 setouts were imported. Now I can look at my shape, and I'll see that there's multiple different setout points that are defined along that shape. Also down in the tabular view, I can see all of the different setout points that were imported for the tunnel, and I can see that those were created along the shape. This concludes a video demonstration on the new setout points import function in TBC Tunneling Module version 5.4.